Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka, Asem Yi Di Ka. Hinna Beka, Akwesi Insia, Commander 6. Kano Senior.
There be a makato say the akukodro. Nyamesuro. Nipa hu don ne begine mu aka ya asem. Yemfa kasantwe yemfa tenie. Ba ebe ka asem ne sene etie pepepepepe. Ya yem wana. Asem Yi Di Ka brother address me din di akwasi ensia. Yemfa na sekese koma Kingdom Herba. Kingdom Herba. Omna the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Abesu asene. Says du papa tatashi abedra abedwasua esaya de to. Eye Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ni nyina ye adwuma baako. Tunum bitters abendum capsules. Unum capsules abendum bitters. Wonum a eboa boost immune system. Eba de bia da wodi ba odi padwanim. Sasu da srade ya adro ni padwam no ebe na ne nyina kama de afiri wodi amaw. New Kingdom say power capsules. Mema na duro no. Yarizie wodo ye siesie wo ase ye ho yade. Sene bia ye bema betime du mensem e wo mpem. Patwa bo adabrijo obo akaskala. Opempempe kwesiaga New Kingdom say power capsules and anya. Tremendous this is man dia man is say if you na kama. The vast day my own say ireswa by November there. Na Ghana shall say record birth. I work also because in the pub just. Ghana baby at 20 be akwa benye bi at 24 for the Kingdom Herbal Center or Kaishi Drug Lane. Friend 0275 804 064 0275 804-064. Kingdom Osino Challenger. Na anope mamemfa happy birthday here. In the first place, I come penny be. If I'm a bad birthday, so I'm for Yako Kese person come Yaujima. Ewo Asante Bampong. A former classmate, a friend, a brother. Yao. Ema yako onu nwan mu nyina e ware kese atobani banya nche se o maame ada de benkum so monka fra na mon hyede e de nyame ne nim ne ye e no ye e de manemba ba mjiri so no nyame no e de maame ato baabi pa eti ya ojima onu nwa na na mensa ene abusuan kai nyina mo Asante Mampong Brales Master Papa nom nyina yamamu nyina yakọ ene hyede munwie ne asu enu bi nyina maame ene da fam ye ba fie ne abedi maame na otweda ne abe na yi enso another permino to ankomo a enu ane ye di about saving Ghana football now enye later. Saving Ghana football now. And prepare wumuai. And also ye Ghana football no esi wonum. And no demonstration baso. Demonstration kwasas no na Minister for Youth and Sports. E wa Ghana mrashe ye film. E bu Black Stars scared mo mon konta. Tena vast day na e pregnant. Wetinde ma bebre e wo ye mamu. Abra ye demonstration and ye tia aban penifoni GFS 1 to 2 nyema ye enye Ghana football fans no na afa na Minister for Youth and Sports so ebu sika on the call la Côte d'Ivoire on konta o ma je film ense bebre oba quickly but ye minister okọ eties wo kan e first kan ye de momo so mo fan spend wo Black Stars ho ne wo di ye ene ode ebe fie Minister for Youth and Sports.
Our estimated budget for the 2023 African Cup of Nations tournament was $8,506,450 United States dollars. And this was to cater for the pre-tournament stages, that is our pre-campaign stages. The tournament phase, that's the group stages, and also the 160 stage quarterfinals, semi-finals, and the finals. If we have gone through all the stages up to finals, Mr. Speaker, Ghana, the estimated budget would have been $8,506,450 United States dollars. Out of this amount, an amount of $5,070,840.36 United States dollars was released by the Ministry of Finance, of which $3,067.81 was spent on the team pre-campaign in Kumasi, that is buying flight tickets for all our team players and technical team from their base to Ghana, and also taking them to Kumasi, and also making sure that their per diems are paid, the flight arrangements for the team, medicals, equipment, and logistics, hospitality. This resulted in a surplus of $2,172,000.55 after our early exit from the tournament. Mr. Speaker, the ministry had negotiated to pay bonuses should the team progress to the next round of the tournament. Therefore, no qualification bonuses were paid.
Okay. It's your fame. I mean, boom, Sanye. Ora Mustafa at the two jano. Or see, Sikabutina, when they got to a benim so more pediaco preparation to final stage of AFCON in $8 million. Me no ko nyina na calculation 88 times 12 96 million Ghana cedis 960 billion old cedis. Any sika omo prepare so omo hia de free abai ho no ana mo koe no finance minister mo omo $5 million. Nia make nyina bi ededa so, but nyina ededa so na hye da hia me kese eni enimu no. And I buy more $5 million out of the $8 million budget na the coin. And also 60 million Ghana cedis. And Kanisika 600 billion. Omuye preparation ni ko gu when mu ase e wo la Cote d'Ivoire ni nyina no. Ye group stage ye bo matches 3 no. Omudisika $3 million, 36 million Ghana cedis, 360 billion. Tetuosika enomudi. Eti minister Asem Yi we nyina no. Na no ketwa to say team no etimi winning match anaka e osika etwa to a ye be ma play bi nyame adom ye winning no ye de sense kari nyina, but out of the $5 million from the coin no almost had $2 million abafie. Omayade. Maybe sir, Minister for Youth and Sports, in all sincerity, would he have spent this on his own team? Or share the track record of Black Stars, yeah, obey Minister for Youth and Sports. Matches how do I yabo? Any sky spend on one and can. So no anything I could best spend say one. She adne cost no enye. Adne cost no enye. But because say ya man your phone no mukuta o man sika no. Enye bi edinti. Enye bi edinti. Sane beba no. Naka somewhere 2038 budget $50 million. See they call AFCON. Somewhere 2015, you budgeted $50 million. See they call AFCON. Na nyankopon ne tumi so che nipa nyina tumi. Na won nwen se Ghana mpanifo ntino. Ye kwa ye nurachi na sika ne bia ka ne ye sa de aba. Opani ahinam godi ye. Enahin. What me could $3 million in less than 1 month. Less than 1 month. What did $3 million? You really the emission tax I bet you so. In less than 1 month too. Blasters are spending $3 million US. 36 million. 360 billion. What cities? Oh, Blasters. Eya na ebufu. Udi ni emeji bi echi a. Mesi wa anhwe ya obeto nsa. Udi ni emeji bi echi a. Because ni emeji empenfo emu no time. In less than 1 month. 360 billion. And Mustafa Yusuf, that's what you want. Because a kana ya bono, yerbe ya tax and ya mayen. E tu can be a president father. Won't ye any mission living free one. Because one blast as a man boka. Blast as a man boka to this sense calling now or GD Meshem, Yemi no GD free. To be sure, Baka just remember free water. Or we also bottom the tax about Punchiasa water. At time, see, I can't crowd fan to them one. At time, you may cost no, and yet, Chrono some the doors on the door. Ni pump and some no at doors on the door. It looks as if you are boy with bad leaders. Now, but to Nigeria, come to us, we almost Sabbath stay crying beko. Would the $8 million? Eko just $7 million. Ye cannot achieve to catch or say, and did you blast at Webreno, and brew $8 million, and did you bay? Who you are suffering up for your guess? We did the acquisitions here. If I say, come Kingdom Herbal Center. Omna the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, and a tremendous capsules abejaso. A drink that I share boy to yadia say yadia, oh yembemu, I don't know. Baby to our Kingdom Herbal Center or Kanshi Drug Lane. Bibiania for 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153. Kingdom or no challenger.